Do you want to stretch this image on the side? How you can do that? By content area scale. But content area scale has a limit. There is a trick. Today I'm going to show you how you can cross this limit. Just go to edit and select content area scale. Hold the shift key and start stretching on the left. See, now still here is fine. And if you put more, our subject also start distorting. So just put enter button here. Again go to edit and select content area scale. Now hold the shift key and stretch on the left again. See, still here is fine, but if you do more, our subject is start distorting. Just again press enter and again go to edit and select content area scale. Hold the shift key and stretch on the left. Press enter again. Go to edit and select content area scale again. Hold the shift key and stretch more. Press enter. See, within trick without our subject distorting how we did it. Now let's try it again. Put your subject on the middle. Go to edit and select content area scale. We are fine still here. Just press enter button here and go to edit, select content area scale again. Hold the shift and alter key and stretch it again. Now still we are fine here. Press enter, go to edit and select content area scale. Hold the shift and alter key, stretch it now. Press enter button here. If you want to put your subject in the middle, just go to rectangle marquee tool and select this area. Now go to edit and select content area scale. Hold the shift key and stretch on the right. Press enter button here. Now press Ctrl D. See, very easily within trick without our subject distorting, we stretched our background. Now let's try one more. Take the crop tool, hold the control and extend it like a Facebook cover or something else. Now go to edit and select content area scale. Hold the shift key and stretch from the left. Until now our stretching is fine, and when we are doing more, you can see from the lag our subject is start distorting. So what we have to do again, just put enter, go to edit and select content area scale, stretch it again, hold the shift key and stretch it again. Still our subject is fine. Press enter, go to edit and select content area scale again, hold the shift key and stretch the background. Now this subject, if you want to put it outside, press the arrow button. Now this area you can fill up by rectangle marquee tool. Select this area, go to edit, select content area scale, hold the shift key and stretch from the left. Now press Ctrl D. Now you can see our subject is still as like before. Whenever you will see your subject is start distorting, just put enter and again go to edit and select content area scale. By this way you can do as much as you want. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video.